Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the transition effect only to one clip. How to. Alright, so follow the step. Go to media and import your videos or photos you like to edit, and for example I'm going to select one clip. This is the image and I'm going to add a transition, but I couldn't add transition because there's only one clip. So how to add? Just split clip before into some part and select the transition again. Just click add to the track. Here we go, and just for the duration, and you can split um again and add another transition. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.